Welcome to All Mode Voice, End User Training. This module will detail the operation, and various functions, of the ConnectUC mobile client, which is an extension of the All Mode Voice hosted phone service. This module will also discuss using the All Mode Voice web user portal. If you have not yet used the portal, or need a refresher, click the link in the description to watch the web portal overview video. Part 1 of this lesson gave a description of how to install and set up the ConnectUC app. Click the link in the description if you have not yet viewed that module. If you enjoy our YouTube videos, click the like button, and hit the subscribe button in order to view our latest training videos. Press the notification bell to be notified of new videos, and leave a comment if you find this content helpful, or have other suggestions for training videos. Remember that the ConnectUC client should only be used in areas with strong cell coverage or reliable Wi-Fi service. Let's begin this module by logging back into the ConnectUC app and looking at the features and functions within the app. The home screen, or calls page, displays the call history. This call history list shows outgoing calls, missed calls, and incoming calls, just as the desk phone does. Outgoing calls are designated by a diagonal arrow pointing upward and toward the right. Missed calls display a crooked red line pointing upward toward the left. Incoming calls display a diagonal arrow pointing down and toward the left. Outgoing, missed, and incoming calls can be filtered by tapping on the filter option located in the top right corner of the page. Each contact listed will have a bubble that contains their initials, as well as a smaller colored bubble to indicate current status. A red icon means that the contact is busy, a white icon means unavailable, and a green icon means that the contact is available. Pressing on a contact opens their page. The contact page displays the name, status, call button, chat button, date and time of the call, the internal extension number, and the contact email. Selecting call, or the extension number, will call the contact. Pressing the back icon will return the user to the call history page. If you have further questions about All Mode Voice, or are interested in the All Mode Voice product, please send an email to voice@allmode.com. The image labeled New in the upper right-hand corner allows for a new contact, a new call, or a new internal chat. The blue dial pad symbol in the lower right corner of the calls screen opens a dial pad to make outgoing calls. The menu bar is located along the bottom of the screen. The Calls tab is the default page that appears when the app is opened. To the right of the Calls page is the voicemail page. Opening this page displays messages in the mailbox. The filter icon provides the choice to view read or unread messages. Clicking on the message banner displays the sender, length of the message, the play icon, the share icon, the forward icon and the delete icon. The next page after voicemail is the Contacts page. Contacts are listed in alphabetical order, or use the search bar to locate a specific contact. The All Contacts drop-down menu presents several options for sorting or selecting specific types of contacts. To the right of Contacts, the chat option is also available at the bottom of the home screen. This allows system users to send instant messages to one another. The final option on the menu tab is the Park option. Call Park allows a user to park a call on a system call park button, which provides the ability for the call to be picked up by another system user. Call Park is discussed more thoroughly in a separate training module. If you are interested in finding out more about All Mode Communications and the products and services we offer, please visit our website, allmode.com, or feel free to call us at 877-ALL-MODE. That's 877-255-6633. The last item to be examined in this module is the avatar icon in the upper left corner of the screen. By default, the icon shows the user's initials and the color of their current status. Tapping the avatar opens a screen with several choices. The user can set their own status and select an emoji to correspond with that status. Next is the Do Not Disturb feature. This puts all of the user's devices in Do Not Disturb mode and sends all calls to voicemail. It is activated or deactivated by using the toggle switch, or it can also be deactivated by pressing the message on the top banner of the main screen. Disable calls icon disables calls from ringing on the mobile device. It can be activated and deactivated by using the toggle switch, or by pressing the enable calls message on the calls screen. The disable notification selection prevents notifications from appearing on the mobile device. This option can also be controlled by the toggle button, or the notice on the calls screen. Preferences allows the user to select from the following options: profile, calling, answering rules, blocked numbers, contacts, music on hold, notifications, and voicemail settings. These features are discussed in greater detail in separate videos. Help Center opens a ConnectUC knowledge base page where a user can search for any topic or feature, or additional information about ConnectUC. Report an issue allows the user to submit any software glitches that they may encounter. Finally, Sign Out allows the user to log out of the app if they desire. As long as a user remains signed into the app, they can use their smartphone as well as any other device connected to All Mode Voice to make or receive calls. This concludes this module of All Mode Voice End User Training. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.